Hashtag short. Here we go, guys. Jeep Cherokee 2017 model. Look what I got here, guys. Starter. This is the starter from hell, guys. In order to replace this starter, a lot of stuff have to come off. This starter is hidden down up in here. Now, this car came in as a no crank, okay, by banging on the top of the solenoid, which is this right here, a couple of times. Finally got it to engage and crank, and I was able to drive it in instead of pushing it in. But look at all the stuff that had to come off, guys. Let me show you something under the bottom. Take a look at this. I don't know if y'all can see that. That starter bolt up there, how rusty it is. I had to bang on it from up top to actually get it to, I bang on the solenoid to get the solenoid to engage the flywheel and to start. Yes, guys, I'm convinced I need to replace it. All right, guys, so I'm back up top. Ain't no sense crying about it, guys. I might as well get to work. First thing first, get the battery disconnected and removed. The PDC has to come off, and a lot of other stuff down there has to come off. It's going to be a task. It is hard. I hope I'm being compensated accordingly, guys. All right, that's all I have. Hashtag short. Alrighty, guys, real quick, let's talk. All right, my channel is filled with brand new up and coming mechanics. I'm aware of that, right? So from time to time I would do a video directed toward them. All right, so get this, guys, I'm getting ready to do a radiator leak, right? it's leaking coolant. See all of this? Yeah. Now, when you're getting ready to do a radiator, you got to remove the upper hose and the lower hose. But guess what we're going to use, guys? Y'all see this? This is a neat little tool. That is simply because it is very much well needed. All right, if you don't have one of these, young fellas, you might want to get you one. That is simply because the typical pliers cannot get to this tensioner clamp. Y'all see that tensioner clamp down there? Y'all see the weird position it's in? Yeah, even with the car in the air, I cannot get to this tensioner clamp. Okay, so what are we going to use? We're going to use this patented tool right here, all right, to get that off. All right, so I got a lot of work to do. I just want to highlight the tool, man. Where you get it from, it don't have to be a freaking truck. All right, use your brain, guys. Ready, guys, real quick. Y'all remember the good old days when you was replacing a fuel pump, guys? There was no special tools available. You would use a chisel and a hammer and simply hammer the ring around and take it out. Well, we living in a different time. Okay, y'all see this? This is the special tool to remove the ring around the fuel pump. I'm getting ready to replace the fuel pump because it's low or long crank time. Actually, the fuel pressure is dropping. Okay, but I have the special tool. But don't panic if you don't have this tool. I mean, you can go on Amazon and get this tool, but if you don't have it, just simply use your chisel and a hammer. All right, now let's get this fuel pump out. Guys, real quick, let's talk engines. Okay, this is a V6 Pentastar engine. It's getting replaced because of oil change. Some oil change place did something they had no business doing. I can't call them out. However, let's talk engines, guys. This is aluminum, pretty much all aluminum, right? In other words, the heads are made of aluminum as well as the block. This is what we call a long block. Now, guys, as it relates to overheating, engines these days are pretty much getting replaced because of excessive overheating. When you overheat an engine such as this, all aluminum, you're taking an extreme chance trying to repair it. I don't care if you're getting head gasket symptoms or not, you might want to think engine, guys. It's hard to take these heads off, send them out to machine shop, get them checked. They're all aluminum, guys. Once they expand and retract, they're never the same. So you blown head gasket guys out there that really love replacing head gasket, you might want to rethink that with an engine like this. It's all aluminum, baby. Those MLS multi-layer steel head gaskets don't just easily give out. Alrighty, guys, real quick, let me show y'all this neat trick, so you won't go into full panic mode. Okay, I got this charger with some bus network problem. All right, let me start it. All right, y'all hear that, right? I'm in park, right? So I guess when the customer went to shut it off, when you go into gear, you can go into gear, but you go back to the park. See that light blinking? See that? You cannot shut the car off. Okay, now I got my foot on the brake. I'm taking my foot off. Foot on the brake. Can't shut it off. I'm in park. Customer go into full panic mode. I guess they decided to disconnect the battery, hoping it'll shut off then, but some cases it still won't shut off. Guys, I need y'all to do this. Stay focused. Remain calm. Whatever you do not panic. Just put the car into neutral. I see that. Shut it off that way, guys. It's some kind of feature that's put in place to allow you to shut it off only in or in neutral. All right, just keep that in mind.